Good morning to all of you. Good morning, sir. How are you all? Fine, sir. Okay, again we are here for the test of your or for the practice of your GPE known as group planning exercise. And this now we are going to proceed with the second GPE as we have already done with the first one. How was the experience of the first one? Great. Okay, so I hope that you are going to use that experience in the next one. Remember, this is the practice of your GPE so that you can be well prepared for your real SSB. Got it? Yes, sir. Okay, so let me first of all tell you something about this map. The direction for this map is the upper side is north, then what will be that? South. What will be that? West. And this one? East. Okay, great. The scale for this map is 2 inch equals to 1 kilometer. Means whatever distance on this map is equal to 2 inch, in real it will be equivalent to 1 kilometer. Got it? Let me tell you some another prominent places of this map, like this is the Chandagiri Fort, the premises of the Chandagiri Fort. This is the Chandagiri Fort. In the premises there is a temple, okay, connected by the metallic road through, and this metallic road connecting the Idukki city and the Thrissur city. From this point the Idukki city is 5 kilometers, okay. From that point the Thrissur city is 10 kilometers. This whole area is called as Ernakulam. There is a government guest house just on the junction, just on that beside of that metallic road. From in front of the government guest house, there is a PSC connected by the non-metallic road. Got it? From this point, a metallic road connecting this ferry point, and from here, the metallic road going to the jungle side area. From that point, a non-metallic road is connecting the Mamra village, consisting of a mosque. In between there is a government or guard restroom also connected by a non-metallic road only. Okay, there is a hospital, there is a police station just on this metallic road only. Any doubt? No, sir. Okay, all clear? Yes, sir. So shall I proceed with the narrative? Yes, sir. Okay. So you are a group of friends from Government Degree College. How many of you are? 10. Yes, treat yourself as a group of 10 students. You are a group of friends from Government Degree College, Idukki, and went to visit Ernakulam. It was the last day of the tour, so you all decided to visit the fort at Chandragiri along with the boating plan at Ferry Point. Return to your college by 5 p.m. in the evening. You went to the fort at 1 p.m. by college bus, and the bus returned to the guest house after dropping your group there. You visited it well. There was an old temple inside the fort. You planned to visit there as well. While you were planning to visit the temple, you heard 3 people were talking of a theft plan of a very old idol of the temple. They all were armed and were planning to sell the idol to a smuggler against a huge amount of money. When you went to the guard, informed him about everything, the guard refused to help as he was alone and the rest guard were at the guard restroom. While you were informing the guard about the theft, another person asked you to help as he also came to seek help as a local mosque at Mamra village is being demolished. That mosque has already been demolished. Okay? Remember, keep this in your mind. By some miscreant and leader of the both communities gather a lot of people with weapons and a strong chance of communal riot is to be happen. While you were thinking what to do, you got a phone call by the housekeeping staff. You got a phone call by a housekeeping staff of the restroom that the only cook of the government guest house got heart attack and he don't know what to do. Immediately after the call, your phone got discharged and switched off. And now, no cell phone network is available in the entire Ernakulam area. Got it? Time now is 3:15 p.m. As bold and young candidate, what course of action will you take, gentlemen? All clear? Yes, sir. Shall I distribute the narrative? Yes, sir. Okay. Now I am giving you 5 minutes to read out the narratives. Then after we will start with the solution part. 5 minutes starts now. Okay, now pass me your seats. पीछे वाले कलेक्ट करके मेरे को दे देंगे और इधर ऐसा सर्कल में कलेक्ट करके दे दो. 10 minutes starts now. Okay, time up. Time up. Okay, pass me the seats. Those who haven't completed their solution, just put a line over there and keep writing. That line will indicate that कि 10 मिनट में आप उतना ही लिख पाए और आपको कितनी मेहनत और ज़रूरत है करने की. Okay, group, start your discussion to come on a common solution.
One is the saving the person who has
into the solution. So in order to solve the all I partially agree with test number 210 that I guess we should divide ourselves into group of 4.
And group C consists
It is better.
For us to place one group in each and every temple to give the
Other devotees save the person.
and one
there is already one guard available at the fort and the theft is not going to place right away. So I think we have enough time to go to the guard restroom and bring some more guards to the temple and stop the theft and allow
And 3%
and it will be a preventive measure.
3% of the saving the life of the parents.
Just number 2 to 1, I think we should not waste our resources. There is already one guard available at the fort. We should not waste our resources.
I agree with just number 178.
and group B go to the Mamra.
The group which have to go to the injured to the hospital to use the
But I think you have to mention that the group A go to the inform the police because of their Mamra village is very important. So I think
So gentlemen, I think group C. So two people will be enough for taking the person.
So starting already we divide ourselves into
But I would also like to add a point that for the helping the person, we could also take the help of housekeeping staff. They can also accompany
But I think group
So I guess most of us are agreeing with the dividing ourselves into group of 4.
I think most of us are divided our group in group of 3. I think we should not waste our resources.
That we should divide ourselves into group of 3. Now let's discuss
So group A, which consists of 2 people, will go to the
public transport.
And group 2
They will
will
go.
go.
maybe the 2 to 1 with the help of public transport. They will
Covering 6 kilometers in the next 5 minutes. From there, they will take the injured who in their own bus along with housekeeping staff.
I agree with this one. It will again take us. It will be a fine decision.
Let's first prioritize the number of people we are dividing in each group.
The Mamra village there is no time fix. So the group A who go with injured person to the hospital. So group C along with them go to the police station because of a
Just nearby the police station.
go to the
Just
hospital.
one second, we should not make a police station. The person who is dropping the person with heart attack to the hospital can also go to the police station.
One way would be sufficient enough to
I think we should use our resources
Ask the police station
and
on the way.
about the
About 3:50 p.m. The person will be dropped at hospital along with the police station. At police station it will be informed about the theft along with about the riot itself. They should go in the Mamra village to control the riot.
We cannot
so many people are there, so they are all armed. So I think we are using more different
But we cannot take the law in our hands. We cannot start the riot by ourselves. We must wait for the police to
we can call police, but in the meanwhile, we will negotiate along with talk with the leaders. Agreement says number 221 that peace will be stable, peace will be and talks will be continued till the time police will come there.
It is very tough for a civilian to
Third problem is to prevent the.
So are you
I go to the guard room to inform them.
Yes, agreement says one side of land
Gentlemen, we are missing a very vital point. They decide the number of members in our each group. First of all, we have a number of members in our each group.
As 221, I think it was already decided that group number A will contain 2 people, group number B will contain 6 people, and about group number C will contain again 2 people.
Yes,
So group B will go to the Maya village and there is as there was an idea we need.
I agree with that. Let's complete just 9 for as a point. Let's complete your point.
I am talking about the as we cannot handle the armed because they are armed. So first we inform to the police station, then we have to move for the riot.
I would like
Person who has
Yes, group one has already informed the police station and
Gentlemen, I would like to
there
add a
soon.
point that for the riots, we can take some guards from the guard house. The guard house must be having guards with who are armed and they can help in
Guards should be used to capture the
Let's summarize all the points. The very first problem we are facing is right now the problem of the cook who has got
one will be standing at the temple.
Let's summarize first the problem, then we can decide into the groups.
summarizing the problem.
Okay, gentlemen, I agree with chess number 221 that one of the member from the group C will stay at the temple itself.
Yes.
And
Yes.
rest two of the members
We'll
will
go to the guard rest to inform the guards there and to take them with their by using public places.
And inform the guards. And must be also.
So the number of members in our each group will be Group A will be consisting of 2 people, Group B will be consisting of 5 people, and Group C will be consisting of 3 people.
Let's also decide who will be there based on
I think that we should consider about the timing that we will take. So I think the for the first problem.
We will leave at
3:20
PM. We will
PM.
check at
We will be meeting and complete for the guest house by 3:25 because I think because it is around 10 kilometers then
And from the government guest house, we will take our own bus, our own college bus, and from there we will go to the hospital, covering about 10 kilometers. In the
and
next
we should
After
3:30
the person at hospital, we can report
inform
to the
the
nearest police
agree with
station.
chess number 5.
And there is the fourth
Gentlemen, as it is a metallic road, therefore we can afford to.
we can
And while leaving
and from by using the bus we can take the cook from there and to the hospital, and we can reach to the hospital.
141, so it will take us about 3:40 p.m. to reach the
Yes.
hospital. Along with that, we will also inform the police, and after from that point onwards, the police along with the students can come to the Chandagiri Fort in about
Agreeing with just number
4
210 and
p.m.
adding to the point, our group B will then leave the Chandagiri Fort and move to the Mamra village, covering 8 kilometers in the next 15 minutes. As it is a non-metro road.
This is a valid point to be considered, and we can.
As it is
So I think there took 16 minutes to 16
We have taken
15 to 16 minutes.
agreeing with just number
Agreeing to check
179.
number 179, it will take us about 15 to 16 minutes.
And our third group, which will be for the guard restroom and reaching 5 kilometers in the next 5 minutes itself.
And they also
Yes, and the police will also be police will also be reaching the place of the riot until about 4 p.m. So I think again the guards will be coming to the temple in about 3:30 p.m. So I think the problems that have been all up.
And at last we will gather.
And in the last we will gather at the government guest house, since it will be almost equal distance from every person to be there,
And at last we will gather at the government guest house.
government
From
guest
there
house
we will leave to the government degree college of Idukki and reach there till 4:20.
All our groups, Group A, Group B, and Group C will meet at the government
Government
guest
guest
house.
house.
we should meet at, because it will be equal distance for everyone to be there, and we can reach government guest house there.
And reach there till
4:45
4:45.
Yes.
I think the chess number 210 has proposed good idea, but the timing has a mistake because they left at 3:20 and reached the police station at 3:40. Then they will take 20 minutes to reach back to the Chandagiri Fort, and from there they have to go to Mamra village also. So there it will take much more time than what is said. For 15 they cannot reach at the government house. I think
We can reach at the government guest house, which is an equal distance point for everyone to be there.
And the group A was the first will be already hanging here. Gentlemen, we there that police gather at the Chandagiri Fort itself. As a group A consisting of the bus and standing at the Chandagiri Fort itself. And our group B and group C can come from the guard restroom and the Mamra village respectively, and from there we can leave from the Chandagiri Fort itself, reaching the Idukki Government Degree College at 4:45 p.m.
Okay, we should use the bus from the government guest house to reach the Idukki restroom.
55 p.m. So because 5 kilometer, they will take 5 kilometers in 5 minutes.
No, but 5 kilometers from
That we
that
are having a
time.
bus and along with the metro.
Okay, now one of you stand up and give me the common solution of your group.
I think 2 to 1.
Yes,
I think 210 should go and give the common solution.
I agree with
I agree
200.
with
Case number 210.
I also agree with 210.
Thank you everyone for giving me this opportunity. So, sir, as we have all perceived, there are three problems. First problem is saving the life of the chef at the government guest house. Second problem is informing police about the communal riot. And third problem is catching and arresting the thieves who are planning for ideal theft. So, initially we have divided our groups in 3 parts: Group A, Group B, Group C. Group A consists of 2 people, Group B consists of 5 people, and Group C consists of again 3 people. Group A will leave using a borrowed car, go to the government hospital, and along with the help of the housekeeping staff will take the chef to the nearby hospital. And after taking the hospital, Group A itself will inform the police about the communal riot and also about the theft. In the meanwhile, Group B will leave the Chandagiri Fort at about 3:20 p.m. and reach the Mambra village for the riot in about 20 minutes, about 3:40 p.m. And there they will negotiate. The 5 people will negotiate and try to talk to them for stopping the communal riot. In the meanwhile, Group C, which consists of 3 people, will go to the guard restroom, and one of the people of Group C will stay in the temple itself to keep the eye on the thieves, and the rest 2 people will go to the guard restroom. They'll bring the guards so that they can catch the thieves. In the meanwhile, the police will come along with the Group A, and they will all meet at the temple. The police will first catch the thieves and then go to the communal riot place. And in the meanwhile, both Group A and Group C will come back to the Chandagiri Fort and along with Group C, along with Group A, they will go to the their college respectively, and they'll leave from Chandagiri Fort at 4:15 p.m. and reach there by 4:45 p.m. Thank you, sir.
Okay, anybody who wanted to add any more point in this? No. All agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
So, how was the experience?
Fantastic, sir. Great.
It's great.
अभी थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस ऐसा आ रहा है कि उधर कर ले जाओगे?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's talk about the feedback now. Okay, चेस्ट नंबर 94. एक दो बार आपने ग्रुप में पार्टिसिपेट किया, लेकिन आपको ज़रूरत पड़ी किसी और की अपने आप को उस ग्रुप में स्टेबलाइज करने के लिए. ट्राई टू स्टैंड एट योर ऑन, ट्राई टू हैव अ डिस्कशन एट योर ऑन. बहुत बार आप ग्रुप से थोड़ा सा अलग हो जा रहे थे. ओके, ओवरऑल ग्रुप डिस्कशन में थोड़ा सा पार्टिसिपेशन की और ज़रूरत है. नरेशन पार्ट वॉज ओके, कुछ फैक्चुअल गलतियां हैं वो मैं आपको अभी बताता हूँ. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट वन 210. ओके पार्टिसिपेशन, आपने समराइज करने की बीच बीच में कोशिश की विथ लॉजिकल पॉइंट्स, इट वाज ओके, बट लिटिल बिट ओवर पार्टिसिपेशन वाज देयर. लेट देम स्पीक, दिस इज अ ग्रुप, लेट देम हैव अ डिस्कशन ऑल्सो, so that we can come with the common solution of a group. Okay, don't over dominate the group, let them speak. एक बार बोलो, थोड़ा सा उनको भी ऐसा अपने पॉइंट्स को रखने दो. ठीक है. इन योर कॉमन सोल्यूशन ऑल्सो DST वॉज मिसिंग, डिस्टेंस स्पीड एंड टाइम. आपने कहीं भी स्पीड और टाइम की और डिस्टेंस की बात नहीं की थी. सेम विथ योर सॉल्यूशन एज वेल. तो इस पर थोड़ा सा बात करने की ज़रूरत पड़ेगा. DST पे, डिस्टेंस स्पीड एंड टाइम पे, इधर से ये 2-3 लड़के बात कर रहे थे, बाकी का ग्रुप कम ही बात कर रहा था उस पर. तो स्केल किस लिए दिया है? अगर आप डिस्टेंस की बात ही नहीं करोगे, किसी ने नहीं बताया फोर्ट से हॉस्पिटल की दूरी है कितनी.
6 kilometers. I mentioned 6.
Okay, so please in your group discussion also, in your common solution, please talk about the DST, distance, speed and time. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it was a nice session. I hope that we are going to continue with this. We are going to have the practice of group discussion tomorrow. Okay, be ready for that. Till then, keep preparing. Jai Hind.